Hi, this is Rob MacArthur from the CBD Curators. Today I'd like to talk about dosing with CBD. This bottle right here, it's one of our products, has 1,200 milligrams of CBD per bottle. That's 1 ounce of product with 30 milliliters in it, which means 40 milligrams per serving. Each serving is 1 full dropper. So a typical person taking 40 milligrams per day, this would last approximately 1 month. How much CBD should you take during a given day? There is quite a bit of controversy in the industry about this. Certainly with the FDA not having ruled on CBD, it's a little difficult to say how much CBD every person should take. Here's a general rule of thumb. This is not written in stone, and everybody's body is different, so everybody has to experiment a little bit. First of all, CBD works very similar to alcohol. The more you weigh, the more you need. I have talked to several people who have said, CBD hasn't worked for me. And I said, well, how many milligrams were you taking? And the answer was, I don't know. I just took what I thought was a dose and didn't understand that it wasn't enough. And turns out they were probably only taking 5 or 10 milligrams. So a 250-pound man is going to need a lot more than a 100-pound woman. And that's just a biological reality. So generally speaking, in the industry, it's suggested to start with approximately 20 milligrams per day. Take the product for a couple of days and see if it helps. If it doesn't, if you don't notice anything, if you don't notice an improvement in your pain or your mood, take a little bit more. Over time, you will build up a tolerance to CBD, but it's very slow, so it doesn't mean you're going to have to double your dose. However, if you're over 150 pounds, maybe you need 40 milligrams a day. If you're under 150 pounds, maybe you need 20. With the amount of pain that I'm in, I take well over 100 milligrams per day. I've taken 200 and 300 milligrams per day. The worst thing that's going to happen to you is that you're going to fall asleep. You're not going to get absolutely, inebriated and can't operate a vehicle, etc. You're just going to be tired. So take your CBD, whatever bottle size you decide to start with, look at the total number of milligrams, divide by 30, and that will tell you how many milligrams per serving. So this particular bottle would have 40. Some of the other products, say a 600 milligram bottle, would only have 20. And some of the bigger bottles have 5,000 milligrams, and that's going to last you a lot longer than a month. And that's just price efficiency. You're just saving money by buying in bigger quantity. So if you have any questions about dosing, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.